throw in wise.
Get open.
Stay involved. Love that. That's okay. Don't mind it, Naya. Keep practicing. You're okay.
Great ball, Naya.
Kayla, you're too slow to show. You had Naya on the ball and you weren't showing. Every time she's on the ball, you need to show.
Tyler, you good? Come here, let's talk. No. Here we go, Blue! Hey, listen up.
You guys were passing it to
We.
them, and passing it through the middle. And sometimes you guys like
Kayla!
so I couldn't like see what was happening and when it
So, guys, one thing I want to rise up today, but you guys are really hesitant on stepping to the ball, okay? You keep dropping. Step faster. What does that mean? Thompson, what does that mean? Good ball. We all need to work on that. We need to work on step. What else is going on, guys? Talk to us. Let's talk.
Nona, stay engaged. I know it's difficult, but stay involved. Don't switch off.
Keep talking, Naya. Come on. Nice, Naya. Quick. It's okay to be physical. You don't push and shove.
like if you go with your shoulder, if they acted like it's not yeah, because that's how you do it.
Christian, who was that? Christian or Greg? At the same time? Handball!
Ali, let's go!
Okay, guys, here's what we're going to do. Okay? Tyler's in goal. Okay? Knock that down and take the ball. Okay? Jagger, I'm going to put you guys in the center. Okay? Candace in the center. Cole, I'm going to put you left deep. Okay? Just shut that down. Joe, not snap. Kip, I'm going to put you on the right wing for just a second, okay? Right wing. Thompson, I'm going to put you in the middle. Okay? Get another girl! You're going to be right above Cam. So Cam's center back, you're right above that. I'm going to put Christian and Henry up top. Like you guys top. Okay? I want a goal. Be aggressive and get it in there, okay? So that leaves who out?
Nice shot, 2-1.
Ben, Cy, Mac. Okay.
Well done, Sammy. Well done.
Okay. Any other comments, guys? Can we turn up the juice? Can we come and bring this? Can we beat these guys still? Yes. They got 5. Let's get 6. Okay?
Captain, this is where you score 5 goals. This is where, yeah, Captain.
Next job, Sammy.
Hey, who's my captain?
Yeah, half and half.
No, goalie on top. I pushed up when I was
Relax, one pass. Go. Shoot, mate. On the floor if you can, Nova. Good. Well played, well played. Hey, very well played. Nova, excellent, keep it on the ground. No, Michaela, can we switch? Michaela, I think you're faster, I think she's better at shooting, right? That's the question.
You need to help him. Hey, Kip. Kip it. Christian doesn't know he needs to be closer. Help Henry out. Show Christian what you need to do. Help him out. Play it forward.
Okay, what we say?
Hey. Let it up, Kip. Go, Henry, we need options up. Move on. Get ready to center. Good, Kip, good. You see, Thompson? Come on, guys, fast. Keep your feet. Take the shot, center! Hey, Cam, let's move him up a little.
Okay,
Get him up a little.
Okay.
Come on, Cole. Reset, Jagger, get a mark.
Brilliant, well done.
Beautiful. There you go, Henry, fill that gap. Side. Win it, kid. There you go, drive it, you got time. Pass him, get past him. Henry, get an option. Right. You can break away, do it. Hi. I actually get the balls. I actually get the Buffalo Money.
No, not at the moment because that's one.
Henry! And Freddie! Henry! Say hi
her up, Sammy. Good.
Bandit, I can't have this gap. Get him up. Take the corner. No, Tank. I want you in the mix. Tip, I need you on the back of the 18.
Good, I'm fine. Try not to go through people, Sammy. Well done. Well done. Sammy, still in.
Get back, goal. Unlucky, Kip.
Girls, can we keep now? Can we keep?
Back up. You didn't pull sub. Side. You gotta back up off the line. Side.
Get there, kid.
Yep.
Yeah, center. Center.
Well done.
Good job, kid. Good job. Do it again.
Paul, come here for a minute.
Well done. Well done.
Son, you gotta recover. Camden.
Good, just use it.
Help China
No,
get
stay
to the
involved.
right spot.
Ready.
Good, stay involved. You got
Back. Come on, get it. Don't watch it. Take his back.
Hurry up.
Come on, Kayla. Well done to win it back, Kay.
Win it back. Battle. Give up.
Come on, Jay, go run around the field. Max, you see how far Kiffin had to come? That's what I need you to do.
Well played. Out now.
He won't sub on it.
Way to play.
Allie, try to be there for the cleanup. What's up, sir?
Show Harley. Show him this. Good. Easy. Relax.
Next up.
Yeah, like it. Love that.
Rhythm, off the pitch. You can sit on your pedal. Thank you, sir.
Good turn. Like it, Kayla.
Christian! Hey, Ben.
We just want to try and keep it. No turnovers.
You're mid. You gotta go fill that spot.
Keep it, guys. Keep it. Nice and easy.
go, Harry.
Control.
Yeah, that wasn't, yeah.
Pick it up the side, you got time, hurry.
Those corners, they didn't hit the second 6 yard box.
Come on, put them off, come off. Take it.
There we go. Good, Kay.
Ben, that's where I need you to be.
Yeah, very high. Stay involved.
Camden!
Well played, nice.
Camden!
I know.
All right, stay involved.
Come on, Drake.
Can you hit that? No. You can hit A. Hit A. It's alright, nice try. You're okay. No. Practice.
Camden looks great, simple. Ben, slow that down.
Why was the snow yellow?
Go.
Why was the snow
Love it, Nona. Nona, fantastic. Out, Macy. Get higher, you two. Don't pause there.
Can you win it? You got it. Come on, Henry, you got it. Let's keep it simple. Come on, Greg. Go, Henry, you got it. Take him on, Henry, take him on.
I don't know who Broussard is.
Come on, Tyler!
Matt, turn.
just keeps marching right out.
Ben! Ben! Go, go guys, go! Hendrick, stay for a minute.
Come on, Stella, Stella. What did we say? Up and involved, yeah? So listen, you two, don't pause at the halfway. Just keep going.
I don't need you back that far, I need you back here. Win it, win it. Yep. Jagger, throw!
Jagger!
Go, Matt. Go up high. I need you up high, Thompson. See that guy in the center? Thompson.
Good.
Guy in the center? That's your buddy in there. Win it. Come on, Thompson.
Come on, Jay, get in there. Cut it off.
Nice, kid. Go. No
Matt,
whistle.
go
Off to
keep
the
going.
side. Give him the option. Cover.
Get there first. Well done. Nona.
Again, guys. Go. Again.
Nona, keep an eye up and you show it, okay? That'll get you on the ball more.
Camden. Take the corners so that they can get in the mix.
Corner.
No, side. Straight in. Jagger.
Yes,
Come on,
Nona.
Nick. I want you right at the top.
Split. Sammy.
Comes outside your whistle.
Good. Nona, off the court again.
I know, because you got stuck in the
Easy, good, easy. Use Nona. Love it, Nona, that's fantastic.
Nona.
Oh, shit.
You did a good job standing up top. It's a little different when you're taking some of these guys on, isn't it? Not like it was last night. Different scenarios, huh?
Use Nona, use us.
Christian.
Make a run. Love it. Oh, dear, that's the wrong one, fella. It's okay, it's alright. Next job, mate, next job.
Mark the player, guys!
No, I don't know anybody. You were Jagger. And Henry.
Push it.
What do you see?
You got time.
Matt, what do you see? Oh, work with that.
Nona, up.
Capitalize on that. Take it. Center.
Use Nona.
Camera on it, Tate.
Lovely, Nona. That's okay.
That's yours, kid.
Very good, Nona.
Lock it.
Yeah, well, like you might.
Come on, Tate. Okay, ready? Stop this up and next up.
Turn up. There you go.
Yes.
There you go. You got time.
Go, break away.
Get outside. Get the top. Good, cut him off.
Okay, let's go to the center. Out of his way.
Marcus Miata. Make stuff happen yourself. Just don't bounce off your head or your hand.
Okay, make sure you combine, Kayla.
You got time, you got
Ball,
time.
Jagger,
Come
don't
on,
stop,
kid,
Jagger.
come on.
Come, this is supporting attack.
Cross. Cross.
Hey,
Oh!
Up, don't stop.
Brandon, I need them up. We'll have popping tea later. Side, settle.
Cameron's got it.
Brandon,
Nice,
settle.
nice. Help out, Kip, help out.
Jagger, you can support this. Okay, so what I need you to do, when you come up like that, I need you to help this. Here, I'll help you. Stop, let's go. Christian. Christian's in for Jagger. Hey! Yeah, he is defense. He's the right defense. See this guy? He's your buddy. Guard him. So, back to he can drop back and then he
Try to get this step on it, okay? Well done, Sammy.
Come on, Kip. Help out, get down.
Cross it.
Oh.
so happy you guys are
Stay on
starting
him,
to wake
stay
up
on
and
him.
get
Here we go.
What do you see, Thompson? Get some salt and pepper on it. That's yours, Kip. What's up? Good news. What do we see? What do we see? Good job, Brigham.
Can you hit A? Okay, alright, nice try.
Yes, sir. Uncover side.
Well read, Sammy. Good. Who's going up?
Do that for me. Christian, go side. Yes, Christian.
I love it!
Hey, who's
well
on nine?
done, girl! Brilliant!
There we go. You got it, you got it.
Back out.
Back out, stay with it.
Stay with it.